Tips for keeping your kitchen organized. Having a well-organized kitchen ranks highly on the list of essentials for leading a contented, straightforward, and convenient life. Being the most frequently used area of the house, it must be extremely effective. You'll cook more, consume healthier food, and generally be in a better mood if your kitchen is functional for you. The following techniques will help your kitchen look cleaner and more organized. 1. Invest in open shelving. Open shelving forces you to keep things tidy when they are out in the open and makes it simple to access frequently used items. Because it visually expands the space, it's also fantastic for small kitchens. Consider removing the doors from the current cabinets or replacing them entirely with thick shelves on brackets or floating shelves. 1. Make use of your corners. A corner cabinet takes up more room than open shelving that extends all the way to the wall. 1. Use organizers for drawers. Each and every kitchen tool has a home, and that home is a drawer organizer. You have the option of building it yourself or having someone else do it for you. 1. Make your lower cabinet more functional. For everyday items, the open shelving beneath the counter is practical. To better utilize unused end space, try using this at the ends of islands. 1. Utilize counter space wisely. Space at the counter. No matter how large the kitchen is, you hardly ever hear people complain that there is too much of it. Add a few shelf risers. They can be utilized to increase storage space. This can be put close to the stove so that you can easily reach things. Organize your kitchen better. It doesn't have to be expensive or fancy. Just a little effort and some creative thinking will suffice. It's not always expensive to hire a professional. Our team will help you to organize your kitchen at a very reasonable price. Thanks for watching.